Good morning, girls. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay, previous class we discussed about the requiem to Mother Earth. Okay, now I'm going to continue the remaining stanzas. Here, author poet is O.N.V. Kuru. Here, this stanza tells us about the mother, the first ecstasy on my tongue with your herb and honey, the last drop of water that soothes, even as the flame of my life is snuffed out. Here, see here in first line, ecstasy. Ecstasy is what is the meaning of the ecstasy? Means here joyful excitement. See here, mother, with your herb and honey. Herb means small plants. The last drop of water. See here in the winter season, just we observe the grass plants. We see the dew drops on the surface of the leaves. Am I right? Means even as the flame of my life is snuffed out. Snuffed means here extinguish or sudden manner. Next, Mother Earth presides over the entire gamut of human experiences. Gamut means scope of something. See here, as a human being, we are giving some scope to the others. Means in the sense, what is the inner view of the Mother Earth? We people are giving some scope to Earth. A baby's first taste of honey and Vayampu. Vayampu is nothing but one of the medicinal plant. Okay, it is how we are collecting this Vayampu plant means it is a gift of nature. Our sensations are drawn from Mother Earth, yet we fail to realize her importance. Last drops of water Earth as a source of solace. Solace means here, what's the meaning of the solace? Means consolation into a time of distress or any sadness. Okay, means from womb to tomb, our Mother Earth giving total security to us. As we come into this world and as we leave this world, Mother Earth remains our soul companion. Soul companion means relating to one individual from birth to death. We are depending on others. Am I right? Means here every human being related to one individual. Next, one more stanza. I have always marveled at your magic of capturing an infant sun in a dewdrop. On the blades of the karuga that spring from you, my lustful fantasies have grazed each day in the shade of trees that lie you like prophets of yore. The winds rode upon your seas. See here, lustless, lustful. Lustful means here we are showing more affection on others. We are showing more strong feelings on others. Means at the same way, how we are showing our feelings on our relatives, any kind of children, mother, father, sister, whomsoever it may be. In the same way, our earth also protecting us. Okay, we have to, as a human being, we have the responsibility to protect our earth. Next, enchanting beauty of Mother Earth, striking image of sun reflected in the dewdrops. See, whenever dewdrops are, we will observe on the surface of the leaves at the time, very strong sunlight will come. Automatically, it will be dry up. Am I right? And also, earth beauty has captivated his imagination, source of his inspiration. Census images stimulate his poetic genius. Means here your. Your means past. Okay. Next, trod. Trod is nothing but it really hurt when make trod on my foot. Next, links this ideal of beauty with the concept of eternal wisdom. Eternal means without end, means endless. Okay, what is the meaning of eternal? Endless, and means from uh, till our uh, life, we have to protect our earth. Okay, next. Mother, I see you in my dear poems. How you remain awake with cradle and lullabies. For thousands of tender fruits, how you swing in thousands of orchids and leap on the tips of the leaves of the banyan tree. Have you beckon with hands like five petal flowers and cool like a temple dress. How you see the rhythm for the happiness of my soul. Like the waves in streams of thousands, have you decked the verdant Purvaka and Ilanji are Konna trees in full bloom. Have you startled me as the swinging over owl and soothed me as the cuckoo's song. See here, my myriad. Myriad means a great number of people gathered at one place. At the same way, here I see the myriad forms. How you remain always with the cradle. How mother is protecting her child by in a by lullaby. Lullaby means a gentle song sung to send a child to sleep in a cradle. At the same way, thousands of tender fruits. Okay, we will observe in the trees and thousands of banyan trees, fruits, leaves. These all we will observe in the nature. Okay. Now, have you array a myriad hues in a tiny box to catch figures in the recesses of the mind? Have you deep dust in gold? Have you disappeared with the eventide into woods and returned with dawn on your shoulders? Have you wake up me and feed me on nectar? How from the heart of the dense forces you craft poems from the self of birds? Have you carry me ever so gently like the lotus leaf does a drop of water? No, I know all this. You feel in me, oh mother. Then see how nicely comparing our poet O.N.V. Kurup. See here, first of all, just any like the lotus leaf doesn't carry the water. If any water drops may fall on lotus leaf, it may stay. No, automatically it may fall off. Okay, see here how you dip dust in gold means how we are collecting the gold from the earth means directly we are wearing. No, it will make it a we have to heat it and mold it. Then a total we have to remove the must of the gold. Then we are preparing like a ornament. Afterwards we are wearing. The same way how you wake up and feel on the nectar. See how honeybees are collecting the nectar from the honey from the nectar. At the same way, this is the nature. Okay, how these much very happy nature, how these all are protecting. At the same way, we have the these all. Who is the mother for these all trees, plants, birds, insects, earth. Okay, means such kind of earth as a human being we have to protect it. Next, appear on to Mother Earth enchanting beauty, lovingly addresses the various facts of Mother Earth, series of bewitching images, nurturing maternal presence sets the rhythm of his soul's happiness, gift of happiness and source of solace. Earth Mother in various moods and emotions, the alluring sights and sounds of nature, power of Earth's imagination. Mother Earth protects her children through her constant love and guidance. At the same way, image of a lotus leaf gently carrying a drop of water. Okay, see here how our Mother Earth protect her children means here through her constant love. This is the constant symbol of constant love. We are imagining lotus leaf gently carrying a drop of water. Here, source of life and happiness. Without her, there is no meaning in his life. Without earth, we won't be. Am I right? Here, source. What is the source here? Earth. For all these, earth is the source. What remains immortal in me are your memories, O swan, who holds music in your wings. See here, swans are swimming in a water. At that time, it makes some sound. Is any musical instruments along with swan? No. Wings only means here creativity. Okay, through their wings, it may give the music. The one truth blazes that my glory shines forth, if only for a moment from the tips of your beauteous wings. See here, tips of the beauteous wings, it may give the sound. Let that be damned. The crow of death beaked even the nectar of your truth. See, can any crow may collect the honey from the nectar? No. Only to whom it is possible? It is only possible for honeybees. Okay. Next. Here, transient nature of human life. Mother's memories will forever remain immortal. Onslaught of time, mortals will perish. Cherished memories of Mother Earth, preserved in poetry. Invokes the son of poetry, symbol of poetic imagination. See our poet ONV Kuru, he very nicely he has imagined the story of requiem for Mother Earth. Image of death also, the crow of death. Image of death and destruction loom large, a world on the brink of extinction. Next, as you trudge along the solar highway, just we observe the solar system, an outcast with a tonsured head shouldering the bundle of your shame, weighed down with the sin of having born children, who turned mother ravishes doesn't cruel death, creep through your veins. See, in the solar system, one woman is carrying the planet. See this picture means here at the same time as a human being we have the responsibility to protect the earth. This is the inner view of the our poet. Mother Earth punished for her children crimes. Okay, an outcast with tonsured heat, symbol of shame, punished on account of her children for the sin of giving birth to sinners. See here, birth is nothing but sin. Okay, we all are sinners. Okay, if our parents are made a mistake, that is nothing but a sin. Automatically, they give birth to us. Here, weighed down by their sins, burdened by the trauma of their crimes. Does the mother wish for the embrace of death? Death is cruel, the children are more cruel. Okay, this is the explanation about the earth. Yeah, Mother Earth, not yet dead. This is requiem to you. This song I inscribe in my heart today is a requiem to you. Okay, see here requiem. Requiem means here, what's the meaning of the requiem means protected. Okay, that next is a requiem to you. I won't be here to moisten your dead lips with my tears to mourn your death. Therefore, I inscribe as much here, O Mother Earth, not yet dead, in the imminent of your death. May your soul rest in peace, in central, sorry, in eternal peace, means without end. It is a endless. Okay. Poem now comes full circle, a ditch both for the mother and the poet. Here, writing this song now before it runs out of time, hopes that the mother's soul will find peace away from the clutches of cruel children. See, nowadays, very cruel children. According to our situation, children's behavior is very rude behavior. Am I right? Means you people are don't behave like that. Okay, you have to give respect to your elders. Okay, at the same time, please take care of your elders. Okay, at the same why because our earth is taking care of us. Okay, how you people are taking care of your parents, your elders at the same time. As a human being, we have the responsibility to take care of our earth. Poet is doing that only thing that can be a parting gift required for his beloved mother earth. Okay, this is the requirement for earth poem. Okay, thank you.